Swedish furniture and home goods retailer IKEA needs no introduction thanks to its hands-free social media reputation and loyal supporters. IKEA beds are already quite remarkable, but did you know there are a ton of ways to modify them to make them even better? The internet is rife with IKEA hack projects that involve modifying a bed, but here are some of the best that will help you get the most use out of your purchase. There's a broad spectrum of complexity, materials, and uncovered details in the countdown, so make sure to visit the reference section after the video ends. These are 10 IKEA small bedroom ideas by Simphome. Without further ado, let's open the countdown with the idea on number 10, the Kallax Platform Bed for more storage. Installing Kallax shelves should be one of your considerations. You can turn it into a platform bed since it will provide additional storage and a comfortable height for getting in and out of bed. To build this, besides the Kallax shelves, you need to purchase additional wooden boards, some L brackets, and steel braces. Also, if you want to make it precisely as shown in the picture, get LED strips for decoration. Firstly, build up the Kallax shelves. Use some L brackets and steel braces to connect the shelves. Then place additional wood over the shelves. This will support the shelves to carry the bed. The last optional step in decorating your platform bed is to stick the LED strips under the top board using double-sided adhesive tape. Number 9. A fun loft IKEA bed hack for kids. A loft bed is also a good idea for your limited space bedroom. You don't have to start it from scratch. Besides, you can even save money. Therefore, use your IKEA Akorum kitchen cabinets to do this project. First, you must construct a support frame from 2x6 beams anchored in the walls and 4x4 beam support pillars. Then arrange the smaller Akorum cabinets into stairs and larger ones into storage. Next up, place the mattress on the construction. Number 8. The IKEA Malm to bed idea. To begin, you will require a substantial quantity of wooden slats and boards which you must cut to the appropriate dimensions. You'll need to purchase multiple IKEA Malm cabinets with 3 drawers to store the primary material. Place them close to one another, but make sure to leave a gap in the midst. This will allow you to better use the area behind the couch bed in the dormer window where there's storage and space for other entertaining items. The measurement will follow your circumstances, so you can make new modifications, upgrades, or downgrades as necessary. Number 7. The IKEA Hack DIY built-in bookshelves with a window seat idea. If you want the window seat taller and include a toe kick, you can build a frame to fit under the Besta. For the main material, 2x4s are recommended. Screw them together after cutting them to the desired length and depth and adding central crossbeams for reinforcement. Tack this up on the wall using screws. If you want to increase the depth of your Besta unit, you can avoid an unsightly gap between the new furniture and the wall by attaching a thin piece of wood to the back of the unit's top. Join the Besta to the framework you built. You might have to reduce the depth of your Billy bookcases by an inch to make them fit. If you find yourself in a similar situation, you can cut the depth or width you need from the side pieces and each shelf using a table saw. Use offcuts from other IKEA shelves to construct the cabinet tops. Wood with the appropriate paint might work too. Trim your material to the remaining height and depth between the Billy bookcase and the ceiling, or your desired height. Number 6. IKEA Trones project for a Handier headboard setup. The IKEA Trones is commonly known as shoe storage, but it actually has several ways to use it. For instance, you can turn it into a handy headboard. It'll give you an instant headboard and additional storage in your small bedroom. Start with installing the IKEA Trones. The number of sets you need depends on the size of your bed. Once it's all installed, arrange them behind your bed. To create an extra dose of mood lighting, line the edges with LED strips for an extra dose of mood lighting. Number 5. A Cozy Workspace in the bedroom idea. Challenge yourself to make over an IKEA Tarva dresser into a rolling desk to provide you with a cozy workspace. This furniture performs up to 3 functions: a desk, built-in shelves above the desk, and drawers. First, turn the upper drawer into built-in shelves. One essential material you should get is a set of the hinge. Installing the hinge will make the front of the drawer face down easily, providing extra space. Then cut off the legs of the dresser and replace them by installing the wheels. This will help you to move the furniture freely. Number 4. A Skinny Nightstand Project idea. Installing a floating nightstand is another excellent idea for your limited space bedroom since it won't take up your floor space or wall. All you need are 2 pieces of the IKEA Moslanda picture ledges. Then attach one to the wall in the normal position while the second piece is in an upside down position. This way, the top and bottom parts will face each other. To enhance the use of the nightstand, add an LED strip light which will shed subtle light, replacing your bed lamp. Number 3. IKEA Seating Hack Projects for the Bedroom. Turn the IKEA Kallax cubby storage unit into more multifunctional furniture such as a window seat and reading bench. To make sitting more comfortable, add a simple DIY bench cushion to the storage top. Finish the DIY without any sewing. You just need a piece of plywood, bench foam, batting, fabric, scissors, and a staple gun. In fact, you can do it in less than an hour, so simple and time-saving. First of all, cut everything to the correct size. Cut the plywood and the foam to the same size while the batting is wider to cover the foam. Then attach the foam to the plywood and lay the batting on the foam. In the final stage, cut the fabric. The size should be wider since it will cover all the surface area. Leave some centimeters so it can be attached to the back area using the staple gun. If you want a bit of luxury, add gold long-lined feet at each seating end. Number 2. A playful IKEA storage project for a kid's room. Kids love Lego so much. So does the Malm, since it's not just entertaining the kids but also educating them, increasing their creativity. Thus, why not create bigger versions of these famous blocks to serve as storage pieces? You need some IKEA Iket cubes, wooden boards, a glue gun, and your preferred color spray paints. It starts with assembling the Lego pieces using your glue gun. Then paint all over the surface and mount it onto the wall. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have Simp-Home Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1, IKEA Platform Bed Project Idea by Arnaud De Matteis. The author derived the proposal from the furniture construction of a 29 square meter studio. Option 1, the designer will construct a convertible sofa with storage, but the owner will have to fold and unfold the bed daily. Option 2, include a double bed and the sofa while sacrificing storage space. To solve the issue, Arnaud decided to make a loft bed which takes full advantage of the apartment's vertical space while getting the living room with the sofa and a little table on one side. On the other side, enclosed by a screen and perched on a platform, is a makeshift cocoon for sleeping. For the project, poplar plywood is the best option for the primary material, better value for money. If you want something reliable and consistent, stay away from okume. Whereas MDF provides the ideal surface for painting, plywood is not the best choice for painted boards. For the optimal result, your recommendation is best arrange. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.